live on Facebook and LinkedIn with my virtual studio named The Reflection Room. I am an educationist and I did masters in English and currently I am affiliated with Rehan AI Teacher Institute and Rehan School Online Academy where I co-facilitate the students and the teachers. So I am live with my virtual studio named the Reflection Room, where I record the reviews and the, of TED Talk and many other things. So today I am also here to record a review on a TED Talk, which named the Education Reimagined Student-Led Learning. That is, the speaker of the TED Talk is Dr. Kathleen Turker. So, education is changing, and today I want to reflect on a powerful TED Talk that challenges how we teach and how students learn. So, in this video, I will share key insights from education and the TED Talk that I listen, and I will discuss what I truly learned from this TED Talk and what are true review of a teacher for today's and the future classroom. Before going toward the review of this TED Talk, I want to introduce you people with the speaker of this TED Talk. I will share a small biography of the speaker. So the speaker name is Kathleen Tucker and she is a respected education expert, a best selling author, and international speaker and professor. With over 2 decades of experience working in and transforming education systems, she is widely known for her work in student centered and student led learning, blended learning, universal design for learning UDL, and using technology to enhance meaningful learning. Her education and her academic background: she earned her bachelor's degree from the University of California. Then she completed her master's in education from the University of California. And then she holds a doctorate degree in learning technologies. After that, her professional journey, she spent many years as a classroom teacher. And then she taught more than 16 years before moving toward a professional learning and consulting. So today she works as a professor in the Master of Arts in Teaching program at university and she guiding future educators. She wrote many books and she also did many podcast and thought leadership programs. She is a keynote speaker at international education events, including her popular TED Talk, Education Reimagined Student Led Learning. And she hosts the show name, the podcast name The Balance, where she discusses practical strategies for better teaching and learning. So let's move toward what she wants to teach us in her TED Talk and what I learned from this TED Talk. I made points for the review of this TED Talk. I will share one by one and I will discuss. The main message I extract from her TED Talk is that she argued that the traditional teacher centered classrooms often disengage students and place an unsustainable burden on teachers. So, the speaker believes we must reimagine education by shifting to student led learning, where students take ownership of their learning process and teachers act as guides and facilitators rather than just lecturers. Students should be at the center of learning. Learning becomes more meaningful when students make choices about what, how, and when they learn. The traditional classrooms are outdated. Today's students are highly capable in digital environment outside school. Yet inside classroom, they are often passive observers. They get bored early. So, changing this can improve engagement and motivation. Teachers don't have to do all the work. Letting students contribute to their learning reduces teachers' burnout and helps students develop their skills like goal setting, self reflection, and critical thinking. Most importantly, she focused on technology. She said that technology supports, but it is not replacing the learning. Tools can be used to free up teachers' time for meaningful interactions, but the human connection remains the essential. So we should learn from this TED talk or from her ideology that we should focus on students instead of delivering every lesson. We must plan and allow students to make choices. For example, let them decide how to demonstrate their understanding. Encourage them to set their own learning goals. And these practices foster responsibility and self direction in students. We must use technology, but in a purposeful manner. Technology should enhance learning, but not it is distract for the distraction of the student. We must use the digital tools, but to facilitate personalized learning paths, to support collaboration and creativity. In this way, this approach ensures tech is meaningful, not just entertaining. Teachers should reframe their role. They become a learning facilitator. They should support students, support them in thinking process, support them in asking strategic questions, and guide them to create a reflection, to create many more things, rather than being the main source of all the information. You should allow the teacher, allow the students, uh, set them free to learn as they want. So, the integration of assessment encourage students to reflect on their own learning and take part in assessing their progress. This builds metacognitive skills and deeper understanding. Sustainable workforce teachers by distributing learning responsibilities. Teachers can manage workload better and can focus on building strong relationships with students. So, overall, for better engagement, we should change our technique to student led learning, building curiosity and meaningful participation. Students learn critical thinking, self regulation, collaboration, and digital literacy. A shift away from traditional lectures models can reduce burnouts by sharing learning responsibilities. So, modern relevance. This model aligns learning with how students interact with information and technology outside the school. This is my review. We should change our methodology, our mindset, because world is changing, and we have no right uh, to put the teaching and the school and the learning in a traditional manner as well. We should change the teaching and the methodology with time, because technology is providing so much information to our students. This is my review for this TED Talk, and thank you very much for your time, the people who are watching me live and the people who will watch me in the recording. I will come again with my this virtual studio, the reflection room, for creating more valuable content for knowledge and for education for new generation. Till then, take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.